It's nice to have some looks in mind before the holiday season starts. At least that's what I like to do. Easy to do, not too many products. If you're new here, hi, I'm Catherine. I just really love makeup and started posting about it on YouTube. And I just want makeup to be easy and fun again and not always about reviews. If you're interested in that type of video, please subscribe and let's get into this look. My plan for this video is to do a mauve makeup look. I find in the winter when I'm a bit more pale, I'm a little red right now because I went for a run and I'm still, I guess, warm from it. But mauves and like those purples, they look really good when my skin is just at its palest. On my skin right now, I just have MAC Skin Canvas Balm. I got this as a birthday gift from MAC and it's like great size. It does have fragrance, so keep that in mind if you don't like that. I'm gonna start off with Studio Radiance Luminous Lift Concealer. This has been my favorite concealer of all of 2024. Not that I've tried a lot. It's very natural looking while covering what you want it to cover. So I'm just using concealer for this video because I've been using a retinol from The Ordinary. I will link it in the description below. I've always been scared of retinol. I've seen, you know, it can make your skin really angry, flaky, but this one is very gentle. I just use it twice a week. I'm also just gonna let this dry a bit, so when I blend it out, it's not too liquidy, you know. So anyways, so I've been more comfortable with just wearing concealer. I'm just gonna really lightly fill in my eyebrows because they need to be done. They need a little appointment, but for now, we're letting them live their little wild life. And then I kind of use the spoolie to disperse it. What do you think? Are those even enough? It's a struggle, but I love Benefit eyebrow products. I think they're pretty easy to use. They last a long time and they work. Get that gel in there. And then because they are a little more wild, I'm just going to shape them. Otherwise I find they kind of overtake my face. So now I'm going to blend out my concealer. Just kind of, I like to pat with this brush. I have some stubborn pigmentation here. Some redness. Oh, and don't forget where you've put your marks. Your concealer, otherwise you might forget to blend it out. And I've been a bit more modest with where I'm putting my concealer lately. I like to leave, like I don't take it all the way to my lash line anymore, so I keep that natural shadow, and I find it just makes the under eye look more natural, not so blanked out. And my hope for this video is that you look into your own makeup products and get inspired to maybe try some new combos, new way of doing your makeup. I found I wasn't very excited with a lot of the holiday collections that makeup companies came out with this year, so it's nice just to shop your stash and try some new looks out. Okay, blush, my favorite. So I like to do two tones with my blushes usually because I have a lot of blush, so I gotta use it, you know. I also just like the shape it gives my face. So I'm gonna be using Nudestix Nude Screen blush tint. This has SPF 30. You still need SPF in the winter. This is in Pink Sunrise. This is such a good neutral blush for me. It's supposed to be a cool, fresh pink. I find it just looks really neutral and beautiful. And then a shade that I haven't been able to wear all summer. This is Totally Synced by MAC in their Globe Play. It's Bubblegum Lilac Pink, and I just put that like right there. I got this blush when it came out. I believe it was in February. I just think it's one of the most beautiful blush formulas. I saw a lot of people talking about how it was really patchy and hard to work with. Like, does that look patchy? It's so beautiful. And I just like to, with my face shape, just right here, a little on the bridge of my nose and down the sides. Take your concealer or foundation brush and help blend it out if you need it. I usually do. But it also just looks really good. It's like, where's the blush? She's just naturally beautiful and blushy. I think I'm just gonna use the same brush. Do I wanna use a brush or my finger? I'm gonna start with my finger. See how that just like pops the cheek a little bit? I find sometimes blushes like this can just be a bit too much if I use it all over my face. But it's like, ooh, a nice little winter chill on the cheeks, a little under the brow. There, what is going on? Can you see that? That has never happened. Ah, of course it happens today. Okay, I just kind of wiped it off with some paper towel really gently where that concealer was curdling. Never have had that happen. And then I'm just taking another brush. I just really lightly buffed it into that area, so hopefully that sets a little nicer. Maybe this brush has something on it like a cleaner. I find that sometimes can make product not go on nicely. See, this isn't taking too long. We're having a good time. This is good. Okay, so now a new product. I got this during the Sephora sale. It's the Ilia lip pencil crayon. This is in Rhyme. Now, this might look familiar from a video I did in the summer with my favorites, which was I have the Night Bloom one, and I was kind of like, I don't know, but the sharpener doesn't work like the ones I have. So I also picked this up during the sale, and let me show you how sharp that got. But this is more of a summer color for me, spring, summer. So I got a winter color, like I said, Rhyme. And as you can see, like when you first get them, they're more blent. And I kind of want this to be neutral. This is like easygoing winter makeup. This shade is just like My Lips but better. They stay on really well. And if you don't do a thick layer, I find they're very comfortable. It's nice how precise you can get with this as well. And I'm really excited about this color. Now, I have left eyes for last because in the past when I do them first, I find I don't balance the whole makeup look well. And actually, I'd be very happy to stop here. But we're trying to use the stuff we have. So I am going in with the Pretty Grunge palette, Huda Beauty, beautiful cool tones. Another toxic trait I have is I will mix like the warm with the cool, and it just, like I tried a warm eye by accident. It was like a reddy brown, beautiful eyeshadow color. But then I put it with this lipstick and it was just, it wasn't it. So this is gonna be really light, really easy eye look. But I do want to just add a little something. It's the holidays. We're looking glam and beautiful. I think I'm gonna go in with this light pink. It's gonna match the light pink of my blush. And then I might use a purple just to go along the lash line. But this is going to be like I don't have anything on. I want you to barely see it. I love this palette. I don't use it enough, but it really is more of a winter makeup, in my opinion, color story for me. Beautiful. And see, this is great if you're like meeting your friends or whatever for drinks during the holidays, because you can do this really quickly after work. And then I'm going to go into that really beautiful eggplant shade. And like I said, just really not expecting much in terms of shadow. It's just gonna be like, oh, is something there? Oh, your eyes look extra beautiful today. Oh, thank you. But see, it's just like nothing. Barely used any pigment. All right, so I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. We are almost done. Listen, if you wanted to be really chic, you could do this look without mascara. Don't you think? Then I'm gonna use some black mascara today. Doing the bottom layer too. It's the holidays. We want to be dramatic. I want to be the center of it. No, I actually don't. Do you have any fun winter plans? I know a lot of people are like, I hate the winter. I really like the winter. I like how the atmosphere feels like blue, you know, it's like that crisp blue feeling and the coolness on your cheeks. Yeah, the sun going down at 4 is like, I don't know, I'm not crunch everything in. I'm gonna go with some pressed powder and really lightly go around my face. And then if I wanted a little more glam, I'd maybe do some sparkles. You can add a little bit of highlighter. This is the one from Fenty. It's my favorite. But that's how I want to keep the look for this video. But I feel really put together. I really like this look. It makes me feel confident. So the other videos we're doing a red look, which is just, you gotta have a red lipstick for the holidays, right? And then we're gonna be doing a sparkle look, which will definitely be heavier on the eyes. I don't like having sparkles on my lips. I find it's crunchy and textured. No, thank you. And those will be kind of in the lead up to December and the holidays. But for Christmas or for the holidays, we're gonna go see the Nutcracker, which I'm very excited about. It usually involves a lot of baking cookies and stuff, movies, just being cozy at home. I'm always cozy at home, so it's not like that's a change, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love this time of year. I'm very excited for it. And I love this lipstick. I'm so excited. But I will see you in the next one, and hopefully that'll be very soon. Have a good day.